Mamuingon ang presidente, ato presidente wa siya kanakahibalo sa mga sa sitwasyon. Labi na sa flood control issue, no? Ang pang-ani na lang, imposible ba nga wala kabalo ang atong presidente sa pag-implement sa flood control, billions of pesos, no? From the government funds, or posible nga nakabalo ang atong presidente, di ba? Inanin lang. Manawagan ta sa atong presidente. To the Honorable President, no? President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., no? To the Honorable President of the Republic of the Philippines, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. So, Mr. President, I would like to express my concerns regarding the apparent lack of awareness among our leaders about the significant event affecting our nation. It is troubling, Mr. President, to hear that you stated inherently critical issues such as the flood control projects that you have no knowledge, according to you, of the situation, especially when lives are stake and billions of pesos have been allocated for these initiatives. So, Mr. President, as the leader of our country, and after more 3 years in office, you still have remaining less than 3 years, Mr. President. It is expected that you remain vigilant and will inform about the major developments that impact the lives of our citizens, Mr. President. The safety and well-being of the Filipino people should always be a top priority, Mr. President. And effective governance requires transparency and accountable. So, Mr. President, pwede ba nga dapat din siguro nga apagan yun ka ng puwersa? Kaya kung ingon nang ganit ta dayon nga wala tayo knowledge about ana sa mga paghitabo at doon na lang tayo masayod paghuman, Mr. President. Kaysa ba ang makaluluoy, Mr. President? Gibuto ka na mo para ibutang ka na mo diha para ikaw mo payong as in umbrella sa tanang katawhan sa tibuok Pilipinas, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, it raises questions when many beneficiaries, Mr. President, of government controls, government contracts, sa flood control projects, are allies of your administration, Mr. President. Dili na lang siguro na ako i-mention o si pinsa ng mga nagkontrata, Mr. President. Pero unsay na yung tabo siya to flood control. So this situation underscores the need, Mr. President, for greater oversight and communications regarding the public funds and projects. So, Mr. President, I urge you to take proactive steps in governing and in ensuring that you and your administration, Mr. President, stay informed about the critical issues facing our nation. So, Mr. President, the voices of the citizens must be heard, and we deserve a government that prioritizes our safety and welfare. Grabe to. So, Mr. President, I want to clarify that I am not the enemy of the country, nor I am your adversary, Mr. President. I am a dedicated citizen who cares deeply about our nation. So, Mr. President, thank you for your attention to this matter. Kung maabot man gamit ni sa imuha. At diba? Grabe. Tingala na lang ta.